where chasing ends and having a true and real system begins. And ngayon po, itong masterclass natin na to, this will last around an hour and 30 minutes. So okay po ba yun sa inyo? Type yes in the chat. So free to, and I'll be giving you so much value. And here you will discover the 3 secrets, and isa-isahin natin later on yon. And make sure lang po na meron lang tayong quick house rule lang, okay? Number 1 house rule natin, focus. Huwag muna tayong, wala tayong munang other distraction. Close mo muna yung other tabs. Kuha ka ng papel at ballpen para makapag-take notes ka. Makinig ka, okay? Kasi game changer and life changing itong mga isi-share natin tonight, okay? Yan yung unang-unang rule natin, focus. Right? Second po, participate. Paka-type po, participate. Ako yung type ng trainer na gusto nating nagpa-participate. Doon tayo kumukuha ng energy natin. So ngayon po, if you have noticed, walang naka-on cam, na naka-off talaga yung cam na part para yung internet natin mas mabilis, okay? So ako lang yung naka-on cam dito, tapos hindi kayo makakapag-on cam. So later na lang po pag magpapa-picture tayo, alright? So participate, ibig sabihin pa nagtatanong, pa nagpapa-type, mag-type lang po kayo sa baba para makita natin na talagang nakikinig ka. Okay? And last but not the least is of course, no, enjoy natin yung masterclass. This is something na talagang matututunan nyo yung, ayan, marami kayong matututunan. Okay? So again, welcome everyone. Because here, itong masterclass po natin is inspired no sa aking Dawn Chasing series. So, done chasing people, done chasing decisions, and done chasing results. So, isa yan sa mga courses na meron ako. And dito po natin nakuha lahat ng mga content natin on this masterclass. Okay? So, baka meron dito sa inyo nagtatanong, talagang para ba sa akin tong masterclass na to? Am I in the right room? So, sino dito? Ito po yung desire ninyo. Okay? Number 1, magkaroon ka ng financial freedom. Sino po yung gusto ng gano'n na, grabe 'di ba, very uncertain yung mundo ngayon. And most of you here probably, you've been, anong industry po kayo? Ano pong company ninyo? Can you type in the chat? Networking, direct selling, yung iba nasa insurance, iba't ibang negosyo yung ginagawa nila, no? And I believe that on top of your job, iba dito, marami dito nagtatrabaho pa, tama po? So, ngayon, you are there. Bakit? Bakit ka andyan? Because you want to achieve financial freedom, tama ho? Yung sigurado yung future mo, ng anak mo. Eh, lalo na ngayon, ang dami yung ano natin, yung gobyerno natin, di ba? Minsan, parang hopeless na. Tama? So, parang di natin pwedeng iasa yung own future natin sa gobyerno natin. Tama ho ba? So, you want to achieve your own financial freedom on your own terms. So, sino po dito? Yan yung reason kung bakit ka andito, bakit ka nagnegosyo. Gusto mo ng ganyan, right? Next, time freedom. The freedom to create your own schedule, work, and where you want, and to build a business that fits your life. Yung tipong gusto mo na makaspend ka ng quality time with your family, hindi ka lang matrap kung saan ka ngayon, and you want to be able to earn well so that next na freedom is ito, very important time. Okay? And last but not the least, sino rin po dito yung gusto ng location freedom? Yung makapag-travel ka, you are able to build your business from anywhere in the world. Sino po gusto ng ganon? Type me in the chat if that is you. So, these are some of the desires that you normally have. Security sa iba't ibang aspeto ng buhay natin, health, iba wealth, and all those stuff. And ang dami mong gusto, right? And right now, yung gap or yung distance between reaching those desires are these challenges. Okay? May mga problema. 'Di ba? Para magkaroon ng testimony, may testing. Para makakuha mo yung mga gusto mo, normal na may mga challenges ka. So, probably, here are the challenges in your business. That's why you are here or you are looking for solutions. Number 1, inconsistent yung resulta mo. Yung iba, walang result. Yung iba, inconsistent. Yung iba, nahihirapan bumalik yung momentum nila. So you are working hard every month but still feel like you are starting over and over again. Sino pong gano'n? 'Di ba familiar kayo sa concept po ng rat race cycle? Rat race cycle, tama? Yung umiikot-ikot ka. Alam niyo ba, 'pag nasa any sales business ka, networking, direct selling, insurance, real estate, alam niyo ho ba meron din rat race cycle na nangyayari, tama? Yung may income ka ngayon, next month wala, may prospects ka ngayon, next month wala, gano'n. Sino po yung nakaka-experience ng gano'n? And parang you are tired of that cycle na na feast and famine cycle na hindi nape-predict. Ako lang po ba or kayo rin? 'Di ba inconsistent yung result. Ano pa, constant chasing, lalo na kung yung sistema mo sarili mo lang, 'di ba? Always messaging, following up, convincing, and trying to keep conversations alive only to get ignored, seen zone, or I'll think about it. So, kumbaga, yung sistema mo is yung sarili mo. So, when life gets busy, na busy ka sa trabaho mo, patay din yung negosyo mo. Kung motivated ka, maganda din yung resulta. Kung na-busy ka, wala ulit yung negosyo mo. So, do you think ho ba, with that kind of system, would it work out? I believe hindi, right? And that's a very, very pressing challenge sa ating mga negosyante, right? Next, burnout from doing everything manually. Trying to juggling, prospecting, presenting, closing, follow-up, and content all alone, making the business feel exhausting instead of freeing. So, marami dito, there are two types of people here. Hindi, yung feeling nila hindi sila techie. So, in return, hindi nakakapag-explore ng online, ng digitalization, automation, and all those stuff. And nababurnout na sila, napapagod. So, yun po nakaka-experience nun. And meron din dito na nag-e-explore ka na about AI, about automation, about online, pero imbes na makatulong sa'yo, you end up more overwhelmed, 'di ba? More overwhelmed sa dami ng mga puwedeng gawin, pero hindi pa rin nagta-translate into income or result. Sino po yung gano'n? Yan yung mga challenge nila. And can you type more, no, yung mga challenges ninyo if hindi na-mention? So, these are the main challenges that you usually have when it comes to your business. So, if ikaw yun yung desires and challenges mo, then right now, I can say that you are definitely in the right place. So make sure to stick with me until the end because in here, on this masterclass, you will discover 3 secrets. And ito po, itong masterclass ko na to, I have the program, the Automated Networker, since last 2022. And this year, ito yung first ko ulit na masterclass because sabi ko, ayoko nang mag-conduct sana ng mga trainings. Ayoko nang mag-conduct for some personal reasons sa akin. But you know, there is very, very like deep conviction na sabi, kailangan mo pa rin magturo, kailangan mo pa rin mag-educate because kailangan to na mapakinggan ng especially those who are really pushing for success or result. Tama? So, dito ho, itong 3 sikreto na 'to na ipapakita ko sa inyo, these are truly, truly life-changing na once maintindihan mo siya, in any business, pwede mo siyang ma-implement. Okay? So, the very first na secret that you will discover is secret number 1, done chasing people. Sino dito? Parang, tama na, ayaw ko na maghabol. Baka type me, if ikaw yun. Again, participate po tayo ha, sa chat natin para hindi mga lawang yung mga ano natin diyan, okay? So secret number 1, you'll discover about how can you stop or done chasing people. How to always have a steady flow of prospects coming to you without chasing, forcing, or running out of people to talk to. Okay, yan yung unang-unang pag-uusapan natin. Second, we will talk about how to present like done chasing decisions, di ba? When you close a deal, what is your goal there? Your goal is for them to have a decision either to buy your product or join your business. Tama ho? So in here, you will have secret number 2. We will talk about how to present in a way that gets decision on the spot without convincing, repeating yourself, or chasing the follow-up. Sino pong gusto ng gano'n? Na maraming magagaling mag-present, alam mo paano yung company presentation mo, pero despite na nagsalita ka na ng 2 oras, sasabihan ka lang nilang, "Pag-iisipan ko muna." "Oh, mare next time na lang." Or, "Ay not working pala 'yan." 'Di ba? Or di kaya yung iba naman, "Ay wala pa akong budget ngayon." "Uy, balikan lang kita." 'Di ba, nilibre mo na, gumastos ka na ng 1,000, alam mo yung gano'n? So, dito ishi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko to have decisions on the spot, how to have payments on the spot. Okay, 'yan yung goal natin, tama? And secret number 3, done chasing results. How to build a business that produces consistent result using automation and AI to work for you 24/7. So again, ito yung tatlong secrets na pag-uusapan natin tonight. Okay? And the moment that you know this, you can implement this on your business. And later on, if ever that you want na tutulungan ka namin with my team to implement this, then I also have a program that can help you that will also be discussed later on. Okay po sa inyo? I'll be giving you so much value here in the next like 60 minutes. And okay lang ba? In the last 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna share to you something that can help you. Type yes in the chat. Okay. So, ayan, thank you sa lahat ng mga nagta-type. So, by the way, bakit ka namin papakinggan? By the way, ako pala si Mabel Puntelon. Hi, Mabel. And I've been in the business world, digital marketing world since 2017. So around 8 years already. And I'm also the founder of the program po na the Automated Networker Program, wherein also creator of the Network Marketing Toolkit, help over 5,000 network marketers from different companies. So itong program po is, I have 2,000 plus na official students from different companies, different products, different comp plans na tinuturuan natin kung paano nga ba yung digital marketing, automation for their business. This program has helped na makapag-create ng multiple millionaires and 6-digit earners. So yan yung program ko. This was established last 2022. I also have my own digital marketing agency. And tinutulungan at tinuturuan yung mga local businesses kung paano nga ba mag-grow yung negosyo nila. And aside from that, I've been also a network marketer and direct seller. So sino po dito yung mga etong program natin, itong masterclass natin, mainly for networkers and direct sellers. But if you are like in different industries, local business, anong negosyo ka man, the concepts here still applies. Okay po? So, eto yung network marketing results ko. I've been a top earner in my own company. One of the highest rank achievers, earned more than 15 million, consistent travel incentive achiever, and 3 times car achiever. So, lahat po ng ituturo ko sa inyo dito, this is not to brag, no, but this is to make you realize na lahat na ituturo ko dito, this is not out of theory, ni-research lang natin, kinapi-paste lang. This is out of my own experience, out of results na proven and tested at the same time, millions in trial and error. So, ngayon po, di ba, when it comes to digital marketing or online marketing, marami kasi kayong makikita online na magtuturo ng gano'n. Tama ho? Pwede kang mag-search sa YouTube, pwede kang mag-search sa Google or Facebook, general na magtuturo sa inyo. Pero when it comes to direct selling or network marketing per se, na specific, halos wala kang makikita. Tama po? Though there are some, like a handful, 2 to 3, but itong the automated networker, tayo po talaga yung nag-pioneer na nagturo ng automation ng digital marketing when it comes to this industry. Because this is something na few years back, 8 years ago, wala pong ganun. Tama? Very rare. Sino po dito yung nag-search na, nag-aaral na, nag-enroll na sa iba't ibang courses, and most of the time, very general, and hindi mo ma-specifically implement sa networking mo, sa direct selling mo. Di ba ang hirap? Kasi ang mangyayari, it will leave you more confused and more overwhelmed. That's why yun po yung nangyari sa akin, and it took me millions in trial and error to actually figure it out. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, that's why I created a program na imbis na sana na sa sarili ko na lang 'to i-keep as my own, 'di ba, as my own secret, as my own recipe, I believe na the more na nagbibigay ka, never ka talagang mawawalan. Tama po? And 'yan yung naging principle ko, and because of that also nakikita tayo ng massive breakthrough din with other networkers. So ngayon po, 'no, 'yan yung aking background, and later on kung may mga questions kayo, may mga questions kayo about our masterclass, we have our Q&A at the end of this session. Okay? So ngayon po, 'no, let's start with our secret number one. Sino na po dito ready? Type ready in the chat if you are ready. Okay, type ready po. Ayan, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagta-type. So number one, secret number one, done chasing prospects, how to always have a steady flow of prospects coming to you without chasing, forcing, or running out of people to talk to. So, yan yung unang-una natin na madi-discover. So, if you know ang ating sales process kasi when it comes to doing networking or direct selling or anything, lahat talaga prospects, tama po? Diyan nag-uumpisa. Kasi 'pag wala kang prospect, wala kang mai-invite, walang mapepresentan, walang mako-close, walang mafa-follow up, walang magjo-join, walang bibili, tama? And 'yan yung pinakaunang step, kailangan mo ng consistent leads, consistent prospects. And eto yung pinaka-reason why 95% of network marketers and direct sellers quit. And hindi lang networkers, like negosyo, maraming nagsasara kasi nahihirapan po when it comes to marketing. Tama ho ba? Maraming nalulugi, maraming hindi nakaka-survive kasi wala ng customers, walang kliyente. So, ikaw para tumagal yung negosyo mo, para kumita ka, this should not be your problem anymore. Do you agree ho? Ayan kasi po nangyayari. No prospects, nothing happens. Tama? So one prospect is the starting point of everything. Agree? So the old and usual ways, which is so much effort but no or a little bit result. So anong ginagawa sa'yo pag mag-start ka? I'm not saying that this is the wrong way, but this is the old and usual way. You list down people, maglilista ka, papalistahin ka ni mentor mo, ni upline mo, ime-message mo sila. Sometimes with no strategy, walang maayos na script, walang psychology na naa-apply, 'di ba? Like parang random lang, copy-paste lang, kung ano lang yung meron diyan. Hindi hindi na-strategize ng maayos, hindi na systematize. You invite kahit hindi ka sure kung interested ba siya, kung hindi mo na-analyze ng maayos, tama ho? You get ignored, you burn out, you feel awkward following up, you start forcing conversations, and you run out of people. Familiar po ba? Relate po ba? So, nangyayari, these cycles goes on again and again. And ang nangyayari, pag nawawalan ka ng warm market mo, is doon na nangyayari yung naghahabol ka rin ng nagiging like mas desperate ka na, yung iba nangha-hype na, yung iba hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. And that's the reason why nasisira yung image ng network marketing industry, which is very, very, very wrong. Tama ho? So, the old and usual ways, pag summarize natin dyan, you think the problem is just you, but hindi ikaw ang problema. The way you were taught to do this is the problem. Bakit po the way that you were taught? Kasi yung pinaka-usual way talaga is that chasing. Pag nagpo-prospect ka, nag-i-invite ka, yung posture lagi is parang ikaw yung may kailangan. Tama ho? Parang ikaw yung ang kailangan, ikaw yung nag-a-approach, ikaw yung naghahabol. Agree, tama ho ba? Now, ako, when I was starting in my network marketing journey, of course, like if you're a newbie, yun talaga, ilista mo lahat ng kakilala mo, kaibigan mo, and there's nothing wrong about that. But if you just stay on that type of strategy, Kung yan lang yung aasahan mo, eventually you will burn out, eventually mawawalan ka ng prospect, mawawalan ka ng gana, sayang na lang yung kinapital mo at nilagyan mo ng oras at effort dito, tama ho? Yung iba naman, the reason why na ayaw nila i-work out yung business nila at the first place kasi nahihiya sila. You are working a good job, you have a good, like, a business and all those stuff, ayaw mo na parang ma-involve ka or ma-connect yung pangalan mo sa direct selling or network marketing. Kasi the ways or system that has been taught to you, hindi nagre-resonate sa'yo. Sino po yung ganon? Type number one. So, you all have different reasons kung bakit nahihirapan ka when it comes to prospecting. And basically, ang pinaka-normal talaga, and I call this the old way. And this is the way na dito nasa-stuck yung karamihan. Yung posture nila, sila yung naghahabol. Tama po. That's why, ito, I want to share to you the new way. Kung ano dapat yung gagawin mo. Okay? The new way or the new way so that you will not do this anymore is for you to attract. Type attract in the chat. Attract. Diba? So, parang ganito lang yan. Parang yung naniligaw lang. Diba? Kung hinahabol ka, mas lalo kang lumalayo. Diba? Pero, pag you become more attractive, mas okay, 'di ba? Mas appealing siya. Doon mo mas nakukuha yung mga bagay-bagay. So when it comes to business, attracting ay yung parang magnet, sila na mismo yung lumalapit sa'yo, right? Ikaw you present yourself not just like something na puwedeng pag-isipan, but you are being presented as something na dapat kailangan meron, gano'n. So dito sa new way na 'to, you don't chase people. You don't force conversations. You position yourself so the right people come to you. And you attract people who are already interested. Tama po? You attract people who are already interested. So dapat, you consider yourself as a magnet. Nakaposition ka na yung mga taong naghahanap na ng product mo, ng business mo, sila mismo yung nalapit sa'yo or you lead them to actually inquire to you, you lead them to actually ask you. And yun yung mga tao na mas madali at mas magaang presentan at i-close. Tama ho? And yung oras mo na napakahalaga po ng oras ng bawat isa, you will put it in the right people. Tandaan niyo po, yung pera, napoproduce, nakikita natin yan. Pero yung oras, yun po yung napaka-importante. Tama ho? So ngayon, how do you actually attract people? Paano ka makapag-attract ng quality or qualified na mga prospect? So, let me tell you a story. Okay? So dito po sa story natin na 'to, before ko parang in my 8 years of being in the industry and teaching digital marketing, of course, na-try na natin lahat-lahat. And on my own experience and seeing the patterns of my students and thousands of network marketers, nabuo po natin yung no chase system. Itong sistema natin na regardless kung techie ka or hindi, mag-advertise ka or hindi, organic man yan, walang bayad or may bayad, 'di ba? Paano ka makakuha ng prospect? Ito yung masasabi ko na the way that you should attract prospects for your business. Okay? And this can be applied immediately sa negosyo mo. Okay? So here are the 3 lead channels of the no chase system. Paano ka nga ba makapag-attract ng tama? So make sure po makapag-take down notes kayo. So 'di ba? Ito yung number 1, warm market. Number 2, content marketing. And number 3, paid ads. So isa-isahin natin. Kasi ano yung goal natin dito sa secret one natin? My goal for you here is dignified yung approach mo sa prospecting and inviting. Type dignified po. No, 'di ba yung hindi mo kinakahiya yung produkto mo, yung business mo, kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, yung proud ka. Yeah, confident and not chasing. Yun yung goal natin dito sa Secret One. So ano yung tatlong lead channels of this no chasing system? Alright. So, ano po yung number one natin dito? Warm market. So, ang usual way na pag-approach natin sa warm market, 'di ba, yun yung magsusulat ka, KK. Akala ko, coach, yung warm market, old approach na yan, old way na yan. Yung old way of approaching the warm market is you reaching out to them and you becoming desperate and having no strategy at all when it comes to approaching them. But if ikaw, pinosisyon mo ng maayos yung business mo, you will continually attract people. It's like this. Example, nagpatayo ka ng negosyo ng brick and mortar store. Okay? So, ang brick and mortar store or traditional business, it thrives on foot traffic. Tama po? Foot traffic. Ibig sabihin, yung mga tao na dumadaan doon, sila yung nagiging customer. So, yung pwesto mo, andyan na. Eh, yung na-attract mo, yung mga taong pupunta mismo dyan or dadaan dyan. Tama? So, ikaw, when it comes to your business, you should position yung negosyo mo in a way na ma-attract mo yung mga customers mo. So example, restaurant ka. Siyempre, nire-research, 'di ba? Kung magpapatayo ka ng cafe and restaurant, you research ano ba yung foot traffic? Ano ba yung vicinity? Marami bang estudyante diyan? BPO diyan? Tama ho ba? Nire-research 'yun, tama? Bago ipatayo yung any business. Now, that same concept should also apply kung meron kang sales business, commission-based business, not working direct selling. Dapat yung ganong mindset, i-apply natin yun. Are you getting me? Kasi most people, the reason why na hindi nila ina-apply yan because you don't see the business that you are doing as a big business. Tama. So, if you really want to have result, kailangan that you would see this not just a small-time business, but a legit and big business para magkaroon ka rin ng malaking resulta. Okay? So, warm market. Like, number one, warm market. Ito, mga best practices ko to ng mga students ko that in a way that you will attract people. And ikaw mismo, again, dignified yung approach mo ng prospecting and inviting. So, there are a lot of ways, but here are the 3 ways kung paano ka makapag-attract using warm market. Number one, product sampling. Sino po dito naniniwala na maganda yung produkto nila? Type me in the chat. Di ba? So, product sampling, yan yung pinaka-easiest way kung paano ka makapag-prospect at invite. Hindi ibig sabihin na tatayo ka dyan at magbibigay ka ng prospect ng product na parang nag-flyering ka, no? The easiest way na sila mismo magtatanong sa'yo, magpapapresent sa'yo, that they invite themselves is to give a sample of the product. Let your product speak for you. Get so friend, o mag-message ka, friend. I have a new business, bigyan kita ng product. Oh, pag the moment na magtanong sila, "Oh, anong business yan? Anong product yan?" That's a time for you to invite to a presentation. That's a time for you to present. Tama ho? So ito, this is a no-brainer approach but nakikita ko ang dami na underutilize ito. Na yung mga products nila nasa stock na lang sa bahay nila, hindi nabebenta, hindi nagkakaroon ng sales. Why? Kasi feeling mo nakakatipid ka, feeling mo gumagastos ka lang pa nagbibigay ka ng product samples, but in reality tumatagal lang yung resulta mo because you are holding that back. Agree? Sino po dito? 'Di ba agree? So, eto product sample like in my case, sa isang previous sa business ko, I just give a box. Capital ko dun 500. Pero you know, ang box na yun, nakakapagbigay sa'kin ng 200K worth of sale. So, dapat part yan siya ng costing mo, part yan ng OPEX mo. Part ng OPEX mo yung pagbibigay ng product sample. Because the moment na meron kang sample, may hawak ka, you give value. The moment that you give value, hindi ka naghahabol. Are you following? Clear po? Lahat lagi, the way we do things, hindi ka lang magbebenta. You actually give value to the market na the moment that you ask, may value ka nang mabigay. Are you following po? So yan yung way kung paano ka makapag-attract. You give sample. Hindi mo kailangan, "Uy, oh, eto, bili ka agad sa'kin." No. Let them speak, let them ask. Ganun yung gagawin, okay? Next naman, referral approach. Ito yung tinatawag ng iba third party approach. "Uy friend, may kakilala ka ba? baka pwede mong i-recommend yung business ko, pwede mong i-recommend yung product ko. So in that way, hindi siya mismo yung kinakausap mo, hindi siya yung, let's say, siya yung target mo, di ba? Pero, alam mo yun, mas professional. It's time for you to do your business professionally. Tama po? Referral approach, ask referrals. Okay? Next is soft opening. I don't know if ini-implement to ng iba, pero this is something that has really been huge for me. 'Di ba? Itong soft opening, ginagawa rin to usually sa mga brick and mortar business, traditional business. Anong ginagawa mo? Soft opening, nagpapa-blessing ka ng negosyo, tama? Nag-invite ka ng mga maraming tao, nagpapakain ka. So in my case, ito yung pinapagawa ko usually sa mga newbies pa lang, and ito din yung first time nila mag-business. We do the soft opening approach. It's kind of like yung parang home party rin, pero nirename lang natin, mas professional din yung dating. Nakikita niyo po yung iba yung effect niya or timpla niya. Are you following? So soft opening nga, hey friend, I started this new business, meron akong soft opening this coming ganitong date, or kahit sa Zoom man yan or face to face, 'di ba? Yung approach mo, if nakikita nyo, these are basic stuffs. But the moment that you change your approach, change your posture towards it, namamagnet mo yung mga tamang tao. Gets you ho ba? So yan yung mga best practices when it comes to warm market. How do you actually attract? So far po ba, are you learning? Type number 3 if you are learning in the chat. So sino dito yung parang something bago sa kanila yung naririnig nila? I know yung iba, alam na kung paano, yung iba naman bago pa lang, 'di ba? So again, these are hindi, lalo na sa warm market, these are the best practices that I personally do and my students. Okay, ayan, thank you sa lahat ng mga nagta-type. And number 2 naman, sa ating no chase system when it comes to prospecting, okay, when it comes to getting leads, is content marketing. So ang content marketing, sino dito naniniwala na sa panahon ngayon kailangan meron kang online presence? Yung nakikita ka nila online. It doesn't mean na kailangan mo maging influencer or vlogger or sikat na ano diyan, hindi kailangan. But kailangan na meron kang presence na the moment that you pitch your product or business, makikita nila yung Facebook page mo, yung Facebook account mo, maganda at maayos yung content. Because that is one of the best way for you to also follow up and attract them. Okay? So, ang content marketing right now, 'di ba? Panahon na rin ng AI, yung iba copy paste na lang din sila sa ano nakalagay sa ChatGPT or sa mentor nila. But ito sa content marketing, these are the best na mga contents that proven and tested din on my end. So contents that results based, okay? Results about your product, about your business, value driven, all right? And lifestyle and attraction. So pag ikaw magko-content ka man, let's say you want to do contents online, these are the 3 themes na makapag-convert sa tao. So ano coach, suggest mo ba image or video? Ang pinaka best way to build trust is of course video. But if nahihiya ka pa sa video or anything like that, you can start with image. Ang pinaka-importante dun, meron kang content online. So, ang daming contents, 'di ba, na puwedeng gawin, ang daming puwedeng simulan, ang daming puwedeng pakulo online. Pero if you want to just start and have consistency and have result, eto yung tatlong themes ng content mo. Show results, testimonials about your product, about your plan, about your business, give value, give tips, give education to them. And last but not the least is lifestyle and attraction. Let them see kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa kanila if they avail your business, if they avail your product. Kasi itong lahat po ng mga contents na to, these are all based in psychology. in human emotions, kung paano ba nagre-respond yung emotions ng mga tao. Because yung mga prospects natin, lahat tayo, we are all emotional beings. And usually the way people buy is through their emotions. Okay? So when it comes to creating content, these are the 3 best topics or 3 themes para makapag-create ka ng content. Are you following? Nakapag-take down notes po bang lahat? Right? And last but not the least, when it comes to the new way or attracting ng mga prospects nyo is what I call paid ads. Pakatay po ads sa baba. Ads. A-D-S. Ads. So, itong ads, for me, this has been absolute game changer for my business. And this is the reason why for the past 7 years pala. Because first year ko, lahat organic, lahat yung parang ako yung nag-a-approach and all those stuff. This is the reason why for the past 7 years, never na akong naghabol. Hindi ako ever naghahabol ng prospect, nawawala ng prospect. Hindi ako nagkakaroon ng fear when it comes to prospecting and inviting. Hindi ko siya na nagiging concern or naging concern. Grabe no? Ito yung, alam mo yung, na-discover ko to, na this is something that is before akong makakapag-create ng program ko, I had the opportunity to become a coach in business growth mentorship. So, isa yun sa mga big programs during pandemic by Coach Fibo. And ako yung isa mga naging coach doon sa network marketing space. And 2,000 na mga students naka-assign sa akin that time. Na-amaze lang ako na what seemed very, very normal and no-brainer for me, yun pala yung problem ng karamihan. Diba? So, I also want to share this to you na if ikaw, may budget ka, you are ready to scale your business, ito yung tinatawag nating paid advertising. Okay? So, there are many ways on how to do advertising, but my way of doing it is through Facebook ads. So, familiar po ba sa Facebook ads? Meron dito familiar sa Facebook ads. So, basically kayo, a lot of you here, doon nyo po ako nakita. 'Di ba? Wala ako ditong kumbaga piniem through my own account or whatever, wala. Habang scroll ka sa Facebook, nakita mo naka-sponsored, nag-click ka, nag-register ka, andito ka na ngayon. Tama ho? So, in that way, ikaw mismo, the moment that you do paid advertising, is that your product, your brand, your opportunities being shown to the people na naghahanap na. Clear po ba? So, dito, Facebook advertising, when it comes to doing advertising, it maximizes AI and automation. AI and automation, naka-integrate po dito. So, sino dito may Facebook? Lahat po ba may Facebook? Yes. So, ang Facebook ads, ito yung pinakamura, efficient, at effective way of marketing your products and services online. So, the usual way, like ikaw, pag let's say nagpo-post ka, nag-a-approach ka sa iba't ibang mga tao and all those stuff, ano nangyayari, di ba? Hindi mo alam kung may pera ba sila or hindi. Hindi mo alam kung may interested ba sila or hindi. Yan yung old way. Yung ikaw yung naghahabol. Ang kagandahan dito, when you do ads or when you do attraction, is that yung mga tao na gusto, interested, at may pera para bilhin yung product mo or mag-join ng business mo, pinapakita sa kanila yung advertisement mo. And they are the people that inquires, they are the people na mas madali silang presentan. Tama ho? So ngayon, how does it look like? It looks like this. So, credits sa owner ng page natin na to, no, na pinapakita ko. So, ito yung example ng product selling when it comes to product selling. No? Ito yung advertisement. So, ano po yung advertisement? May bayad ba? Yes. May bayad pag mag-ads ka. Kasi hindi siya get rich quick. Meron kang tamang process. Meron kang babayaran kay Facebook pag mag-advertise ka. So, magkano yung dapat mong bayaran kay Facebook pag if you choose that route of attracting customers? You can pay 500 pesos per day, 100 pesos per day, 200 pesos per day. Nakadepend sa result na gusto mo. Gets? Because when you are a serious business owners, you understand that marketing is not a cost but it is an actual investment. Tama ho? So dito, for example, you buy flyers, tarpaulins, gumagastos ka sa labas, tawag doon marketing expense mo, right? So, the moment that you do Facebook advertising, you just transfer the cost online. Understood? So, for example, ang 500 mo, nagpo-prospecting ka, gumastos ka ng pagkain mo, transpo mo, inumin mo, hindi pa nga kasya ngayon yung 500 pesos, tama po. But when you place that into advertising, it can give you 10 people. Kahit nasa bahay ka lang, nakapajama ka pa, di ba? Sa cellphone mo, may mag-i-inquire. 15, 20 people na sila mismo yung lumalapit sa'yo. So, ang goal lang ni Facebook ads is to get interested prospects and clients and i-convert mo sila, ipepresentan mo sila. Gets ho ba? Clear po ba? So, ngayon, for me, ito yung pinaka-best way of attracting prospects when it comes to advertising. You don't waste time, you have the right prospects, and ang goal mo na lang dito is ma-convert mo sila. Are you following? So ngayon po, yan yung no-chase system when it comes to prospecting. Either you do it sa warm market, content marketing, or paid ads. Ang pinaka-gist dito is that instead of you approaching them, instead of you chasing them, this positions you to actually attracting them. And in that way, the way you do prospecting and inviting is now more dignified, confident, and hindi ka nag-ahabol. Tama ho ba? So ngayon, here are some testimonials now of our students actually implementing this. Like ito si Sir Ben. I sold 8 units in 3 days. This week lang yon. This never happened pa before. So 8 units, like mahal po ito na product. So sabi niya, just imagine one part pa lang to. Amazing results agad. What more kung matapos ko na yung buong program? Ito naman, si Eric, he had 20 new pay-ins after a month just by implementing yung Facebook advertising for his business. Ito naman si Mark, 6 months time, kumita siya ng 1 million income. Okay? In just 6 months time. So, these are some of the testimonies, and ako, I have, in my career in being in the digital marketing world, I have generated more than 3,000 plus leads. Hindi lang sa networking, direct selling in different businesses, including my clients, because of this kind of system. And sa sistema na yan, hindi ako yung naghahabol at nagmumukhang desperado. Clear po? So, eto, by the way, itong lahat pala ng mga strategies natin, this secret isn't just an idea. It's from the playbook. So, I created this playbook, Done Chasing People. So, later on, you will have the opportunity to actually get this as a bonus. Okay po? So, ngayon, sino dito yung natututo sa secret number 1 natin? Are you learning so far? Type me in the chat if you are learning. Okay, type me in the chat if you're actually learning right now para po ma-proceed tayo sa next 2 secrets natin. Ayan, learning po ba so far? Me learning, thank you sa mga nagtatype. So, ngayon, now that people are actually coming, now that you are attracting people, okay? The question is that, why aren't they deciding? Sino dito nakakapag-experience na dami mong prospect, ang dami mong leads, pero madalas hindi nagko-convert, hindi nagde-decide, or di kaya akala mo interesado na siya, may pera na siya na mismo nag-approach sa'yo, pero bakit hindi naman siya nagde-decide, hindi siya nag-join? May mga ganun. Tama ho? Masaklap doon, hirap ka na nga sa prospect mo, pinaghirapan mo na kung paano ka makapag-prospect, then after that, nung nagkaroon ka na, hindi na naman nag-join or hindi naman interesado. Di ba? Masaklap, di ba? So dito, pag-uusapan natin yan sa secret number 2. Wherein, how to present in a way that gets a decision on the spot without convincing, repeating yourself, or chasing the follow-up. So we will be doing this in secret number 2. Okay? Secret number 2, done chasing decisions. So dito, when it comes to presenting your business, I believe a lot of you here can relate. In-explain mo yung presentation mo pero hindi nila nararamdaman. Hindi nila nararamdaman in a sense of, alam mo yung iba, di ba? You spend hours explaining, they listen but are not fully engaged. May mga ganon, di ba? They understand but don't feel it. They have no clear connection to their situation. So, nangyayari to pag number 1, hinabol mo nga lang or pinilit mo siya, tapos pinagbigyan ka lang na mapresentan niya. Di ba marami pong gano'n na mga prospect. That's why, dapat sa una pa lang, maayos mo na, you attract. Okay? Then, when it comes to closing, marami yung interesado but walang desisyon. Nagandahan sila sa product mo, nagandahan sila sa opportunity na meron ka, but hindi sila nakapag-decide. Sabihin nilang pag-iisipan ko muna, tama, interested but they have no decision, wala daw silang budget. Yung iba naman, alam mo naman may budget, alam mong kaya, pero you haven't closed them on the spot, hindi nagpapa-reserve, hindi nagbabayad, hindi nagpe-pay in, and they have no clear reason to act now. May mga ganun po ba? So ako, ito yung lagi kong na-observe. Grabe, nag-spend kayo ng thousands and thousands in events, in presentation, tapos na nakakasad dun, sobrang konti nagko-commit, ang masaklap, wala, minsan wala. 'Di ba? Walang nagpe-pay in. So mahirap kasi gumagastos kayo ng oras, ng time and all those stuff. You follow up, but nothing moves. Scene zoned. Sabihan kang next time na lang. You follow up, 'di ba? Conversations slowly die. So dito, they understand but they don't decide. Sino po maraming gano'n, yung parang ang dami mo nang napresentan pero laging nag-e-end up sa kana lang, walang budget, gano'n. So imagine mo, every time that you present to 10 people, like 1 lang yung nako-convert, madalas wala. Though yes, numbers game siya because yun yung nature ng sale, but imagine mo yun, let's say sa per tao, 2 hours yung spend mo na time. Sa 2 hours na yon times 10, 20 hours yun, isa lang yung mako-convert. Question, mababalik mo pa ba yung like 18 hours ng oras mo? Hindi na, tama? That is something that hindi mo na mababalik. So anong point ko dito? Is there a way for you to be more efficient? Magkaroon ng sistema yung presentation mo na makakapag-usap ka sa mga taong interested, qualified, na at the same time, ready na rin mag-take action? So, yan po yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, old way of you presenting is that you convince people. Ito yung company namin, ganito kaganda, pioneering, ang ganda ng product, lahat-lahat na ng pamamaraan, paano mo sila ma-convert. Nagpakita ka ng cheque, ng pera, everything. 'Di ba? Pero pag-isipan ko muna yung sabihin. Right? So, my way or the new way of you presenting your business is to convert it with structure. Okay? Kasi you can apply yung secret number 1 natin. That would be already an unfair advantage for you. But for you to have the complete system, you must implement ang 3 sikreto na meron tayo dito. So the second way na best partner ng secret number 1 natin is for you to convert with structure. Kasi kahit ma-implement mo yon tapos hindi mo 'to magagawa, then sayang yung leads mo. Okay? Hindi mo sila ma-maximize to its full potential. Right? So if people are not deciding, it's not because they are not interested, it's because there is no structure guiding them. So, paano ko ba 'to ma-explain sa inyo? Here's my observation. Usually po, 'pag magpe-present tayong lahat sa company, 'di ba? Paano mag-present? And eto yung nangyayari sa 99.99%. Eto yung company, eto yung product, eto yung benefits, eto yung packages. Naka-focus siya sa saan po? Sa kumpanya, sa produkto. Tama ho ba? Type number 1, if you agree, yan yung way. And applicable to sa lahat. Real estate man, insurance man, networking man, direct selling man. Naka-focus sa features ng kung ano yung merong ino-offer mo. Pero you know what? Alam niyo ba, yung mga customers, they don't care about your offer, your company, your product. Wala po silang pakialam doon. What matters most to them is ano yung benefit nito for me. Ano to yung magagawa nito for my life. And if you address din kung ano yung mga fears nila, yung mga doubts nila, at yung mga worries nila. Because habang nagpe-present ka, habang nagsasalita ka, habang sinishare mo sa kanila, gaano kakanda yung product or business mo, marami yan silang mga tanong on the back of their mind. So, dapat yung presentation mo, na-handle niya na yung objections unang-una pa lang. Are you following? So, ito po, I just want to share these two people. It's I don't know if you know them, but they are the top expert marketers when it comes to digital marketing worldwide. So, ito si Russell, he conducted a master or a webinar wherein in just 90 minutes, he had $3 million in sales in just 90 minutes. Ito naman si Alex, they 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 followed the same structure when it comes to presenting. And then he got more than 100 million na sales then on his presentation. Imagine niyo po yun. So, itong way nila of presenting, of converting people, that has also been my way on converting my clients in my own network marketing business. Because itong structure na tinuro nila, ito yung ginagamit ng mga successful na 7-figure earners. And sabi ko sarili ko, kung nagiging successful to, kopyahin ko na lang din, gawin ko na lang din. Tama? And this gave me like 2020, on 1 year, 47 million sales. The next year, 80 million in sales. And yan yung structure mismo na ginagamit ko sa iba't ibang negosyo. And it works. Okay? And one time, dito sa Philippines, there was this top leading network digital marketing coach, and gusto ko talaga malaman kung ano yung strategy niya, 'di ba? And I even nag-attend ako nanonood ako ng video, nag one-on-one ako, and then sabi ko, "Ano kayang ginagawa nito para mag-serve ng mga clients niya?" 'Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ang dami akong naging investment when it comes to coaches, mentors, talent air, and all those stuff. So, nung gusto kong malaman kung paano niya ginagawa because he's already the leading na coach dito sa Philippines, I invested. Ayan, kita niyo po, yung product, yan, 399,000 with eto. So, this is like 190,000 na one-time na setup fee. Okay? And then, sa 190,000 na yun, within a year, more than 120K a month pa yung binabayaran on top of that. So, nearly 1 million. And you know what I have discovered? The same structure that I am doing, these people are doing, and other successful marketers are doing, yun lang din yung ginagawa niya. So, I just paid para ma-discover lang din yun. Okay? So, ngayon, itong structure na to, you are gonna learn this for free. And this is something that would be totally changing the way you do your presentation. So, papakita ko sa inyo to, and again, you can apply this on your own or you can apply this with our help para maging ma-convert with structure yung presentation nyo. Because my goal here is for you to be confident, in control, and you don't have to chase decisions anymore. So ano po ito? Anong structure na to when it comes to converting? So this is what I call my conversion system. So number 1, position, how you enter the presentation, the conversation, how you present, how you make the offer, and how you close. Okay? So number 1 is that kailangan you make it about them. Ano yung positioning mo? Make it about them. Your language, the way you present, the way you talk, it should always be focused on the customer. Agree? It should not be about you, not about the company. Start with questions, not a pitch. The way network marketers, direct sellers, other people start, di ba? Though, yes, may rapport, kung paano kayo mag-rapport, nagra-rapport, yun yung very, very important. But the moment na nag-start ka na ng presentation mo, grabe, bidang-bidang-bida yung company mo, yung product mo. Pero nakalimutan mo na again, yung tao na nakikinig sa'yo, yung mind niyan, psychologically, wala talaga silang pakialam. What matters is what's in it for them. Sino pong gano'n din? Sino pong gano'n? You believe that. 'Di ba? Kasi 'pag ikaw, let's say, lagay mo yung sarili mo, bibili ka ng ibang mga bagay, you don't care about like kung ano lang yung features lang or whatever. You care kung ano ba yung value na maibibigay yan sa pamilya mo, sa buhay mo. Tama po? So, very important yung positioning mo, yung languaging mo, hindi lang para makabenta ka lang for the sake of it, but kailangan you always put it in your mind, number one, na your languaging should be focused about the customer and not about your product and company. Okay po? Yun yung very first step. And the moment that you do that, that already sets you apart from other marketers, other sellers. You make it about your customer. Okay? Clear po ba? Number two, deliver value. Deliver value while you present. So, like, ang iba, sinasabi nila na sa closing ka pa mag-handle ng objection. That's the worst thing that you can ever do. Yung sa closing pa, dun ka pa mag-ano. No, shouldn't be that way. Okay, you need to handle objections inside the presentation already. Kumbaga nasasagot mo na yung mga tanong nila. Alam mo, habang nagpe-present ka ng product, ng company mo, ano iniisip nila? Ay, baka scam ba yan? Totoo ba yan? Effective ba yan? May result ba talaga yan? Gets mo? So the way you talk to them, dapat naka-embed na sa languaging mo. Like, let's say, for example, when you share about your company, o ito yung company namin, 20 years na to, napakaganda nito, ito na, blah, blah, blah. Okay, about sa company, nakafocus na sa company, di ba? But the moment that you present it na, ito yung company namin, ito yung business, 20 years na to, so dito, masisigurado mo na credible siya. Masigurado mo na long term siya. Hindi ka makabahan pag gawin mo tong negosyo na to, pag i-workout mo. Clear po? So, once you position it the way na nakafocus sa kanila, it changes everything. Are you following? Do you agree? Make it relatable. Like for example, sa product nila, pag napapresent mo yung product, oh, ang ganda, ang daming pumayat, ang daming nagkakaroon ng ano, resulta. So, ano yung mga objections nila in mind? Baka ang mahal naman ng product, may bibili ba niyan? May bibili ba niyan? Ganito, ganyan. Ay, tanong sa mind nila. So, habang explain mo dapat yung presentation mo, yung product mo, nabibigyan mo na sila ng kwento. Tama? Nasasagot mo na yan habang nasa presentation ka pa lang. Okay? Make it relatable. Let them see themselves. So if you can see it, sa first one and two, it's more on about the customer. It's more on like delivering value to them. What's in it for them. Yun dapat kung paano mo siya pine-present. Okay? And number three, make it irresistible. Okay? Why they should choose you aside sa 100,000 din na distributors. Why they should choose you sa kalaban mo na 20,000 na nagbebenta din ng same product. Bakit ikaw? Bakit kanila pipiliin? Ano yung meron sa'yo na wala sa iba? So in my case, eto po, ultimate 'to. Like hindi puwedeng mawala 'to sa mga kung paano ako magbenta, and ito rin yung ina-apply ng mga successful na seven-figure, eight-figure dollar earners worldwide. We have what we call the irresistible offer. So make it irresistible. Ibig sabihin, ito yung reason why they will decide right away. Na hindi nila pag-iisipan, hindi sa next week, hindi sa makalawa. If they are the right person, they will decide right away. Okay? If they are willing, interested, and able, at may pera sila, they would say yes if you have this. So you will not just give them the standard package, the standard product. Ano yung pwede mong i-add na walang added cost monetarily sa'yo, pero pwede mo mabigay na priceless siya. Okay? So you can add your guidance, add your own system if you have any. Give a reason for them to decide now. Gets niyo po? For example, nagbebenta ka ng ng supplements. Hindi lang kasi discount yung pwede mong ibigay na o bibigyan mo sila ng free shipping or di-discount ka sa kanila kasi 'di ba? Most of the time against yun sa policies ng kumpanya, right? Against yun yung mag-underprice ka, pwede kang i-remove sa company mo nun. Tama ho ba? So how can you do it ethically? How can you do it na may offer ka that would make you stand out? So in my case, ito yung example ng ginagawa ko. So for example, I sell a 24K package, 100K to 100K. So, nire-repackage ko siya. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag nating irresistible offer. So, if we happen to do a one-on-one, if we happen to do a coaching, we build your own irresistible offer. So, example ito, digital business system, income generating system, everything na to is provided for na. Okay? At itong mga bonuses na to, this is something that I provide for my team. Okay? Without added monetary cost for me, pero pwede kong i-deliver. Gets? So, example ito, 250K worth of product to. So, ginagawa ng structured onboarding and training, ready na organized na marketing flyers and materials, group online and automation program. Gets ko po? So, itong mga bagay na to, this is what you call irresistible offer. What can you add on top na meron sa team mo na wala sa iba? So this is absolutely game changer talaga because this is the reason why people will decide right away. Okay? Clear po ba? So later on, you will also witness how it happens real time. Papakita ko sa inyo. Are you following? So you must have something like this. Kailangan meron silang makukuha. Like, meron kang exclusive offer that will be only available during your presentation, only in your team, that will make them close the deal. Okay? Clear po ba? And last but not the least, for you to convert with structure, is you need to guide the decision. You need to close the sale. You need to ask the sale. Hindi mo kailangan ma-pressure, hindi mo kailangan maghabol. Be clear, ask directly, and ask in a way na magli-lead sa kanila na mag-decide on the spot. Are you following? Clear po? And for you to close properly, you must have an irresistible offer in place. And this is something na hindi ko nakikita sa usually, like, I had thousands of students already when it comes to network marketing, direct selling, hindi to na-i-implement. And the way you close deals, products, clients, is kung paano lang din kino-close standardly sa company mo. 'Di ba? That's why same experience, same challenges, yun na-experience mo over and over again. Okay? So, eto ho, just to share to you, ito yung 6 months result. 2.5 million income in 6 months time, 1.8 million car incentive, 400,000 worth of free travel, around nearly 5 million result. And every time that I do kung anumang negosyo na gagawin ko, anumang networking direct selling man, I just implement that. Yan yung super weapon ko when it comes to doing business. And never pong pumalya. Okay? And yan din yung implement din ng mga students natin. Ito, kumita siya ng nearly 400,000. Naging top 1 sa team niya and overall top sa company niya implementing itong secret number 2 natin. So, lahat ng to in details, I have covered this in playbook number 2, Done Chasing Decisions. On how can you actually start with step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 for your company, how to build your own irresistible offer na tinatawag. Okay? So, yan po yung secret number 2 natin, which is how do you actually convert with structure. And yan yung dapat mong gawin for you to have decisions on the spot. So far po ba, are you learning? Okay, are you learning po ba? Type yes in the chat if you are learning before we proceed to our last secret. So, ito po, lahat-lahat ng mga strategies na share dito, of course, if you want to know the technical, the implementation, and all those stuff, hindi natin kaya yan within 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? But if you like research this on your own, you won't happen to stumble this on your own or research kasi hindi available yung ganitong information or data sa YouTube, sa Google, or somewhere else. Lalo na pag you want to apply it or on your own network marketing industry. Okay? So, that's why this masterclass was created for you. For you to implement this either on your own or with my help later on if you found this valuable. Okay? So, number 3, last but not the least na secret for you to make your business sustainable is secret number 3, don't chasing results. So, how do you actually build a business that produces consistent results using automation and AI so you are not doing everything manually? Okay? Para hindi manual lahat. 'Di ba? Kasi kahit ikaw pa yung pinaka-motivated, pag nawala yung motivation mo, willpower mo, tapos naka-rely sa own energy mo, wala, patay yung negosyo mo 'pag hindi ka gagalaw, tama ho. And hindi rin na lagi na available ka para mag-present, hindi rin lagi all-time high yung energy mo, tama ho. So, the old way is for you to do if you rely only 100% on manual. So you can grow like this. Now, when you stop, everything stops. So you are not actually lazy. Your business model is heavy. Diba? Imagine mo, nagpo-prospecting ka, mag-i-invite ka, magpe-present ka, magko-closing ka, magte-train ka. Lahat-lahat. Nakapagod yun. Tama po? So, like for example, ako, let's say, yung, yung how you came here. Imagine mo na lang kung isa-isa ko kayong hinanap online tapos isa-isa ko kayong sinesendan ng mga presentation ng mga links, ang dami-dami niyo, nakapagod 'yun, tama po? But you know what, I'm here right now showing up. This is the only thing that I did manually, lahat automated na, okay? Lahat automated na po 'yun, nag-show up na lang ako dito sa Zoom. So, the new way right now is for you to do things automated with AI. Okay? So, anong goal naman natin dito sa secret number 3? Automated, magkaroon ka ng leverage, and not doing everything manually. So, paano yun, Maybell? Dapat ba techie ako? That is the greatest misconception when it comes to doing things. Okay? Kasi hindi kailangan na techie ka, ang kailangan lang ng tamang guidance, ng tamang coach, ng tamang learning, ng tamang knowledge. Yun yung pinaka-importante. But right now, marami takot na mag-delve into this kasi confusing na. Ano ba yung tools, ano ba yung system, ano ba yung AI, ano ba yung online, 'di ba? Paano, ano gagawin, where do I start, how does it work, which one do I choose? Tama ho? Meron po bang gano'n? Overwhelming. And in return, hindi ka na nakakaumpisa. So, ngayon, let's end this confusion. Ang goal natin dito, ipapakita ko sa inyo how I automate like the whole sales process on my business. So, dito, andito na yung solusyon, implement mo na lang. So, number 1, paano natin, ito yung pinakita ko kanina, how do you automate prospecting and inviting? So, that is where we use Facebook ads. O, how do we integrate AI for that? So, say for example, gusto mong gumawa ka ng advertisement, dati mano-mano lahat, dati ikaw lahat. But when you use AI, you can create your video scripts, 'di ba? You can create images in just one click, in just one prompt. You can create captions, you can create follow-up and sales messages. And yan po yung gaano ka-powerful right now kung alam mo siya paano gawin. Kasi napaka-importante na alam mo kung paano gawin. Okay? And yes, you can do it on your own, but it would be best pag yung ini-implement mo is something that is proven and tested na. Clear ba? So like for example, how do you create content with AI? Puwede ka na makapag-create ng images mo. Lahat 'yan, puwede mo nang gawin 'yan right now, okay? Next naman, when it comes to presenting and closing, how do you actually automate that? So in my case, I always have a landing page, a website. Sa panahon po ngayon, lalo na po 'pag online yung business mo, napakaimportante po na meron kang own funnel mo or website mo. Kasi even if you do word of mouth, even if you do warm market, 'di ba? Or kahit saan ka man, the moment that you have that online presence na makapag-present, gumagana yung presentation mo 24/7, it already sets you in advantage. Grabeng advantage na po yun. Nage-gets niyo? So dito, like I have lots of my students and clients, we create websites for them. We create like online representation of their business for them. And talagang yung conversion nila, it went from like 5% to iba 3%, it went to 10 to 20% because of this alone. Na 24/7 gumagana yung presentation mo. In my case, gano'n din sa'kin. I have systems working for me 24/7 kahit tulog ako, tuloy-tuloy pa rin na gumagana because I have this. So, this is actually leverage kasi imagine mo, isang presentation, mapapanood ng 10 times ng 10 na tao sabay, 50 na tao sabay, 100 times na tao sabay. And you can't humanly do that kung ikaw lang, kung wala kang automation, kung wala kang sistema. Tama po ba? You get it? Say for example, sa website, oh, 'pag may website ka, grabe advantage na yun for your business. And hindi lang dapat basta-basta website lang, kailangan na yung website mo psychologically maayos siya, strategic kung paano siya ginawa. Kasi marami puwedeng magkaroon ng website pero hindi naman nagko-convert, gets niyo po? So, dapat alam yung psychology, alam mo kung paano siya i-strategize based sa product and company and nature ng business mo. Napakaimportante po nun. Clear? And ngayon, paano ko naman ino-automate yung pagfo-follow up? O I integrate chatbots or email marketing. Sino po dito nakapag-receive ng ano, ng mga reminders? 7 PM happening, oh, 4 hours to go, 2 hours to go, 30 minutes to go, we are live. Sino po? Naka-receive naman po kayo halos lahat, right? So, lahat po yun automated. Okay, lahat po yun naka-sequence, lahat po yun isang click lang, andiyan lahat. And hindi po yun ginagawa mano-mano. And yan po isa sa mga puwedeng gawin natin for your business. Okay? So, dito, like the moment that you implement this is how I do it. Alright? So, this is the automated networker system from attention to decision, automated 24/7. You have an ad, okay? Maka-capture mo yung ano mo, yung leads mo. Yun yung through a website or page. Automated yung presentation mo, yung website mo, yung gagawin mo, magko-closing ka na lang, closing na lang. Sino bang gusto nun? Closing na lang yung gagawin mo ng mga taong interesado talaga at at willing makapag-start. Makapag-follow up ka automatically and you can onboard them using also a system. So, ito yung pinaka-ideal na dapat meron kang setup for your business. Clear? So, that is something that you can achieve, no, if you do it the right way. So, itong secret number 3 natin is from our playbook number 3, Done Chasing Results na playbook. Okay? So, ngayon po, ayan yung tatlong sikreto natin that you have discovered right now. Secret number 1, done chasing people. How to always have a steady flow of prospects coming to you. And pinakita natin doon yung different types kung paano ka makapag-attract. Secret number 2, done chasing decisions. How to present in a way that gets decision on the spot. And secret number 3, done chasing results. How to build a business that produces consistent results. Using automation and AI to work for you 24/7. So, who among you here, di ba, are learning? Sa lahat po ng mga naturo natin, ano po yung natututo po ba? Is there something na talagang tumatak sa inyo? Okay? Ano yung pinakatumatak sa inyo so far so that I can see? Can you type in the chat like sentence or two? Like ano yung pinaka parang aha moment, "Oh, bago 'to, this is something na dapat ko ma-implement." Can you type? Okey lang po ba mag-type tayo para makita natin? Okay, how about the others? Automated follow-up, ayan. Ano yung pinaka nag-resonate sa inyo? I want to do it how, okay. Hmm. How about the others po? I'm thinking about this automate what but where to start, okay. How about the others? Getting continuous leads, okay. Ayan, iba naman, ayan, having the structure. Alright, thank you sa lahat ng mga nagta-type. So, ngayon ho, no, question is, where are you stuck? Either getting leads, getting decision, and scaling your results. Tama po? So, right now, interested but will my budget fit? Alright? Need AI to support my system. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nagta-type. So, right now, we have already discussed though yung big picture strategy na I already did the research for you. This is something that if I take notes ka, you can implement it on your own. Okay? But in your case, on you to practically take action on this, how to take action, there are three ways kung paano ka makapag-take action. Number one, do it your own. Ibig sabihin, take action on your own using pinakita po natin using the systems, tools, and resources provided, implement mo, yung secret 1, 2, 3 natin on your own, mag-search ka, mag-research ka. Number two, work one-on-one with us, me or my team. I'll be able to show you kung paano mo siya ma-implement directly sa business mo without trial and error and get you support and results much faster. Number three, done for you. You can hire other people. You can hire our agency to implement it for you. Or you can hire other experts to do it for you. Like, for example, you can hire an advertiser. You can hire a funnel builder. You can do that. So, between these three options, type 1, if 1, type 2, if 2, coaching. You want a one-on-one coaching, support. Or 3, done for you, hiring other people. Ano sa tingin mo, ano yung way kung paano ka makapag-take action? Okay, can you type it in the chat? Type 1 if 1, 2 if 2, and 3 if 3. Of course, ako, if tatanungin mo ako anong pinaka-achievable at pwede sa lahat, it would be number 2, coaching. Because hindi ko naman sa pinagmamalaki yung sarili ko or pinagmamayabang, but for you to get the best implementation and action plan for yourself is for you to have a coach or guidance. And again, ang dami kang pwedeng magpa-mentor, magpa-coach outside, maraming magagaling. But when it comes to this industry and automation in networking direct selling, that is my expertise for the past 8 years. Okay? So, yeah, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay? So, ngayon, pag number one, it's better than nothing. And yun din yung route ng iba para makatipid. Pero, you will end up losing more time in trial and error and more money in return. Okay? So, ngayon po, if you choose number one, and number one, thank you so much for attending our masterclass, no? And I know marami ko natutunan. But if you chose number 2 and number 3, okay lang ba? In the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna be sharing to you a way on how I can help you. Yes, okay lang po? In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna share to you my offer that can actually help you implement everything. Like if you want to do automation for your business, if you want to implement a website, if you want to like do ads, if you want to do all of those stuff, um, you want to know how to implement AI for your business, okay? I have an offer that can help you, right? So this is what I call my dawn chasing blueprint. tatlo po yung makukuha nyo dito. Tatlo. Okay? A step-by-step strategy and action plan to help you stop chasing prospects, decisions, and results manually. So, ang unang-una nyo po na makukuha dito is our Dawn Chasing Playbooks. So, itong Dawn Chasing Playbooks natin, this is priced at 5,000 pesos. Yung playbooks natin. Because this is an 8-year worth of experience. This is proven and tested. And this is something na very comprehensive po yung paggawa po natin ito. Okay? But, hindi lang yan makukuha mo. You still have 2 things that you are gonna get dito sa blueprint natin. So, ito yung unang-unang makukuha mo, the Dawn Chasing Playbooks. Okay? Number 2, which is, this is something that I don't want to give basta-basta. And I want this to be to people who are really decided to take action and gusto magkaroon ng resulta, especially this 2026. So, second thing that you're gonna get is a one-on-one strategy coaching. So, dito sa one-on-one strategy coaching po natin, kasi you want to learn about AI, you want to know, you want to have a strategy on how to earn your first million, you want to have a strategy on how to automate your business, we have a 1-hour one-on-one strategy coaching. So, itong one-on-one strategy coaching natin, I usually price this at 25,000 per hour. Bakit po ganun yung price natin for that? It's because this is something na tailor-fit for your business. And itong strategy coaching natin, this is a very, kumbaga, actionable na pag ikaw, you will hire other people to do this, it would be minimum 6 digits. Okay? And dito sa one-on-one strategy coaching natin, hindi lang po yan, hindi lang na mag-uusap lang tayo, but you will get to see ano ba yung leak sa business mo, ano yung reason why hindi ka nagle-level up, ano yung reason why hindi ka nagkakaroon ng resulta. You'll be able to check all the problems that you have. Like for example, may sakit ka, hindi mo alam yung diagnosis mo, you come to a doctor, you come to a specialist. Tama po? Now, when it comes to your business, it's also the same. If you don't know why you are stuck, if you don't know kung bakit hindi ka nagkakaroon ng resulta, hindi mo alam kung ano yung next step to level up your business, then kung hindi ka magkakaroon ng solusyon dyan, it would cost you more money. It would cost you more time. And sobrang laking losses po nun. Tama? So, yan yung i-deal natin and paano mo siya magagawang solusyonan. Clear? If you want to learn AI, if you want to learn about, if you want to build, actually, during on our one-on-one, we can do that. And last but not the least is that you wouldn't leave our strategy coaching empty-handed because you will get to have your own implementation plan. So dito, kumbaga, hindi lang diagnosis, kundi ano yung prescription mo, ano yung dapat mo nang gawin sa negosyo mo. So you will have clear direction, you will have actionable steps, and this is specifically customized for you. So some of my clients, they end up like after that one-on-one strategy coaching, they already have their own website. Some of our clients, after our one-on-one strategy coaching, she has already contents good for 90 days. Imagine mo yan. And yan yung mga bagay na like in a year, hindi nila nagagawa. Years na sila nagnenegosyo, wala pa silang website, wala pa silang strategy. Yung ibang clients natin, like a year na action steps nagagawa in just during that one-on-one. So, yan po yung makukuha ninyo the moment that you have this done chasing blueprint. So, ngayon, total market value nito, I can offer this for at least 25,000. So, yung program ko po, I have the program, I have an academy. It's called the Automated Networker. It's 34,990. And as of now, I don't accept students inside sa program. And hindi rin po kami basta-basta nag-accept ng students doon. So ngayon, this is what we offer right now, the Dawn Chasing Blueprint. So do you think worth it ba yung Dawn Chasing Blueprint natin if ever ito na yung maging sagot para hindi ka na maghabol ng prospects ever again? Do you think worth it yan? Type yes in the chat. Would it be worth it if kung hindi ka na maghahabol ng prospect, hindi mo na problema yung sales and benta mo? Tama? Would it be worth it if ma-unlock mo na yung business mo and you get to close people on the spot? Diba? For example, so one-on-one natin, you want to have your irresistible offer. You want to to transform your presentation to a presentation with structure. You can do that. I guess so. Definitely po, di ba? Worth it. Would it be worth it if in the next 6 months you will earn your first million because of this? Would it be worth it if you could automate your business in the next 5 years and beyond? Hindi ka na mababurn out, di ba? Hindi ka na paulit-ulit na mapapagod. Definitely. Tama po. So, here's the good news because right now, you don't need to pay 25,000 for that blueprint, even if it is worth more than that. Okay? Not even 15,000. Okay? Yung blueprint natin, yung 3 things na makukuha nyo. But right now, its regular price is at 9,990 pesos only. Okay? And I cannot offer this to a lot of people. I can only offer this to at least 10. Okay? Because we are doing this live right now, and ako mismo yung nagko-conduct nito. Okay po? And who among you here excited, di ba? At gusto makuha yung blueprint na to, makapag-avail, type me in the chat if that's you. Ayan, ang bilis. Okay? Me. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nata-type. So, here's the good news. Sino po gusto magkaroon ng discount? Siyempre, di ba? Gusto lagi ng mga Pinoy mahilig sa discount. Ha? Discount. I have a discount. In the next 24 hours, I'll be giving you a discount. And this discount, from 9,990 pesos, I'll give you 50% off. 8:35 p.m. ngayon until tomorrow 8:35 p.m. 4,995 pesos only. Okay? Who wants this discount? Sino pong gusto magkaroon ng discount? Type number 1, if ikaw gusto mo makapag-take action for our discount. But of course, hindi lang nagtatapos dyan, no? What if, coach, ready na ako. Hindi na ako makapag-antay. I'm ready to get started right now. I'm gonna be giving you something that is irresistible. Okay? And it will be only available right now habang live ako. And the moment na magko-close na tayo ng Zoom, hindi na to maging available again. Okay? Until 9 p.m. Kumbaga, the moment na mag-close tayo ng Zoom, this will be only happening live. I'll be giving this to 5 slots only. 5 slots lang po. Again, 5 slots lang. I have what I call the action taker. Okay? And this will be only available right now that instead of paying 9,990, not even 4,995, itong dawn chasing natin, the one-on-one strategy coaching, the dawn chasing blueprint, the implementation plan, you can get it right now for as low as 2,499 only. Okay? Again, 2,499 only. I'll be giving this to 5 people only. Type 2499 if ikaw gusto mong ma-take advantage itong offer natin na to right now. Okay? Type 2499 in the chat. So, I'll be only giving this to 5 and I'll be verifying it firsthand. Ako po mismo dito ngayon. And if you have any questions, just let me know para ma-address natin. So, here are my payment options. No? Type your mode of payment. Is it BDO, BPI, GCash? Tatlo lang po yung mode of payment natin. Wala na pong iba. Okay? So, Wilma, Cherry, ayan, 2499, 2499. So, habang nagta-type yung iba, magbibigay muna ako ng instructions. So, itong ating offer right now, let's say example, tomorrow ka magte-take action or the next day, this won't be available anymore. This will be available habang live po ako ngayon. The moment na hindi na po ako live, this would no longer be available. Will be only available right now habang live po ako. Okay? So, 2499. And if ikaw, you plan to get this Ano po yung mode of payment ninyo? Type sa baba para makita natin. BDO po ba? BPI po ba? Or GCash? Please type po 'no, if ano po yung mode of payment nila. Type GCash if GCash, BDO if BDO, and BPI if BPI. Ayan. So, PayMaya, meron din po PayMaya. PayMaya, same number po ng GCash ko, ayan. GoTimee, send ko lang yung QR. So, sa Maya same din po. Yeah. So, eto, habang nag-i-instruct ako, I'll be answering some questions here para ma-address lang natin 'no. Kasi maraming mga 'yan, yung mga maraming mga questions. BDO but not doing